Welcome to today's post-market analysis, and let's see how the market behaved today and what are the possible trades that we could have taken. So yesterday we know it is a kind of sideways day, but there is a huge bounce from this region. So and then there is a crash as well. So this is a demand zone and this is a supply zone. Okay, so both levels are important as far as the price action is concerned, and we know today it's like the first candle is body is red, and wicks is candle is having wicks on both sides, so it is kind of neutral day. Let me enlarge this. Okay, I'll keep only today's. So body is kind of neutral, indicating it is a sideways day and indecision at the start of the day. So we know we can't go short here, though candle is red. So we could rather wait for central CPR if we really want to look for a reversal day. So because average CPR, most likely it will be reversal day, where whatever the initial opening is there, it will try to break it and then go in the opposite direction of opening. So the same thing happened, but the problem is whoever has gone long here thinking it will take 20 EMA support, CPR support, and then candle low support. So your stop loss might have hit. So this is -1 at the start of the day. It is low probability trade. It is not high probability according to our setup. But second trade that could have worked is this. When you have this, you can keep your stop loss and then aim for the CPR. So 1:2. So it has actually tested your patience so much and almost touched your, if you have taken futures, right, it could have taken your stop loss, but the options could have saved you because of the theta decay. So even if you miss out here, the entry here, stop loss here, and then take profit back to the day low is like 1:2 almost 3. Okay, this is a good trade where you have a supply zone here, and then the whole day it is consolidating at the same level. So this is kind of low probability because the 20 MA kept on like taking support for Bank Nifty, but uh, your stop loss, as it is very low for a reward of this much. uh, in fact, I think you can almost expect up to day low, or at least the CPR. So because the stop loss is low, I think we can take this trade. So this is low probability trade at the start of the day, where we had this, and then this is kind of again average kind of trade. So if you go to next one, that is Nifty. Nifty is having a red candle and then big wicks at the start of the day. And before that, let's see how yesterday market behaved and what are the important zone. So this is not an important zone because slight correction was there, but not too much, and volume is also average. But this is the demand zone where it has a huge bounce. So price, if it is coming here, we have to give importance to this level compared to this level. Okay, but at the opening you can see it is trying to take support exactly at the yesterday's high, but we know it is not so important level, so I didn't take the trade at the opening, and I considered this as a neutral candle. Okay. So the next probable trade is where it has big wicks here, it has consolidated for some time, and when you see this green candle with big huge wicks at the yesterday's high, maybe this, if you have taken, your stop loss will be this much for a target of this much. So 1:1. So it is not a good risk reward trade. So the next trade, possible trade is this, when you have a green candle at the CPR here, but the problem is it has huge wicks and it is taking resistance from the 20 MA. Now you know it is huge bounce, but in the live market it can take resistance from here and then again retrace back to CPR and then falls. But in live market it is, as it is very difficult, that is not a good place to enter if you are really like observing in the live market and thinking to take. And again, when the price came back to red candle high, so where we had a green candle breakout, but immediately there is this supply zone, the less probability again when we have a proper breakout here, so your risk reward is not much, 1:1, so not a good trade again. So after that it slowly moved up, and then we didn't have any retrace back to 20 ma, and it is having a pivot point or nothing like that. No other setup is there. We could have taken this retest entry where it had a breakout here, and then it made a retracement. So this could have been like a fake breakout and then fall again back to the CPR. So it is kind of again low probability. So that is the reason I didn't take that. Not much high probability trade in Nifty as well. So coming to tomorrow, let's see. Let us shift this. Let us shift this level to this area. So this is going to act as a very important level, both today's low and today's high, because uh, most importantly this is a very good demand zone and this is a supply zone. So if there is any candle breaking this, I think we can go long on Nifty, because it has already broken the all-time high now. So Nifty is looking bullish as of now, and also solid last 1 hour or last half an hour of good volume there, but it is kind of mixed, not in the same direction. There is slight correction towards the end of the day. So I think we can keep this level for Bank Nifty, because 1 2 3 4, if it is breaking tomorrow we can go long, because multiple times it has tested that already. So when it is testing too many times, it will lose its strength. I can shift this to here, because multiple times again 1 2 3 4. So this level is also going to act as very good important level. If it is opening between these levels, I think we have to wait for confirmation and then only take the trade. So let's wait for 1 hour or so, or half an hour, unless we get really high probability trade by having a huge gap up or gap down, and having a bearish candle here or bullish candle here, something like that we can take based on the price action. So until then we have to wait for the confirmation and then take the trade. That's it for today. Thank you and all the best. Bye.